How's it going, guys? Viking PT here, and welcome back to
Viking in the Kitchen!
This is where I show you recipes to make your healthy eating quick and easy. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make my Snickers protein porridge. So, today you're going to need some protein powder, some natural peanut butter, quick oats, and some dark chocolate chips. To get started, we're going to just move some things so we've got some space. Alright, we're going to take half a cup of quick oats. And then we're going to take 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. I mean, you could use chocolate protein powder if you want, but I like to use vanilla. Then you're just going to mix those two together. And now we're going to add a cup of hot water. Careful, careful, careful. Alright, add that in. Now we're just going to mix that together even more. Next you're going to take a tablespoon of peanut butter. Why are you laughing? I like peanut butter. Add that into the mix. Now we're just going to pop that in the microwave for 1.5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, be really careful because it's piping hot. We're just going to mix that up. And now we're going to add some dark chocolate chips. What? Now, of course, if you wanted to make this a little bit more crunchy, you could just use crunchy peanut butter or chopped up cashew nuts. Look at that. Delicious. And there we have it. My Snickers protein porridge. You can have it for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you found this at all helpful, don't forget to pulverize that like button and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a brand new video. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next episode.